that'll be in the center of both doorways. It's not really the center of here because we bumped out 50 centimeters here. Actually, see this wall and this wall are the centers for the house. This is 5 centimeters for this side, 5 centimeters, I'm sorry, 5 meters on this side of the house, 5 meters in the middle, and then 5 meters on the side. But we bumped this out 50 centimeters. We bumped this in a meter, bump that out, so it doesn't flow, but this is directly in the middle of the house, so that's where the fountain should be. So that's where it will be. So when you walk into the front door, it will be right there in the middle. Then when you walk in from the back door, they're right there in the middle. It's gonna look good. Can't wait. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but we've got the line centered up for the fountain. And he's chipping away a certain amount of these blocks to make the design on each corner. He already knows the length they need to be. And we're about to get ready to get started. Alright, he's laid a couple of them, so alright, already. Okay. Got 3 sides to go. Oh, I'm sorry, 3 corners to go. Turn around to this 4th corner. And then we'll top it off and we'll go 1 more high. And be done with it. Alright, we got the 1 foundation down. And then 1 more to go. It's looking good. Design. This side goes in at 10 centimeters. Okay, just a couple more blocks to go. And we've kind of set the electricity. We've trying to figure out where that was going to go. And we'll have a little switch built in to be able to turn the pump on and off. And it'll look good. We'll take 1 more after he's done. Okay, now Lucio is gonna chisel in this channel to hide this polyflex in the cement floor so it'll be flat. Okay, he's got the whole fountain done. And now he is getting ready to put these 4 blocks down in the middle to create the base for the totem pole that's going to go in the middle of it to create the water fountain. So we'll have to show you that way later, maybe after the house is complete, but you can see it'll all cocooned up and everything, so I'll show that later.
Applause.
Alright, there it is from the door. Of course, it'll be almost 2 meters high right in the middle of the totem pole. Right in the middle, so looking good.